Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. We're going to do a patina today. And here is all of the stuff you're going to need. You're going to need a cup of hot water, something with a lid if you can't handle the smell. Then you'll need hot tap water is all you need. Then you'll need another cup of plain water, baking soda, liver of sulfur, 4/0 steel wool, a polishing pad, pair of tweezers, and some liquid soap. Doesn't have to be anything special. Here's a picture of the bag of the steel wool that you need. Super fine, 0/0. And you'll need a piece of jewelry that you want to patina. So we're going to do this one since this is all I've got that needs to be patinaed. Actually, I have two. So we're going to put these in here. Let those start getting warmed up. And we're going to take some baking soda. We'll get that dissolved. The baking soda in the water is going to be for neutralizing the liver of sulfur. Now, this is a gel form. You can buy this in rock form. There are many brands. I got this at Rio Grande. And it does stink. But when you get the bottle, you're going to want to stir it up because there is a gelatinous goo at the bottom. So you just want to kind of like get it incorporated. And then what I do is I scrape almost all of it off because you don't need a whole lot. So whatever's left on the pliers, in fact, that's too much even. And I'm just going to put that in the water with the patina, with the pieces. And I'm just going to agitate it so that it dissolves off of my pliers. And you can let this sit just for a few seconds. Look at your piece to see if it's the color you want. You can let this stay in here till it's black if you like. Okay, that's good enough. I'm going to put that right down into that baking soda mixture. You can put this in here to neutralize the liver of sulfur. Rinse off my pliers. We're going to set this aside. This is instantaneous. So we're just going to put this on the paper towel. Let that dry. And then what I like to do, since this has to sit for several days before you can dispose of it properly, do not pour this down your drain. Then I just pour that into that, and that neutralizes that completely. So we'll just let that set. I'm going to take, I usually cut these wedges up into bits and pieces. Because once you use it and just let it sit, it gets rusty. So I just use these and then throw them away. So I'm just going to get this wet. I'm going to put some liquid soap onto my steel wool. And then I'm just going to start rubbing where I want to remove the patina. I'm not rubbing hard, very simple. You want to rub it everywhere. We'll dry it off. See the depth that that gives? That's really pretty. I love patina ink pieces because it just brings out the depth of the wire. It accentuates the design. And now we're going to do a little polishing here. This is a polishing pad. Got these from Rio Grande. So you're just going to go around your piece and polish where you want to bring out even more shine. This is also removing patina as well. And one of these pads will last a long time. One thing you'll want to do is you'll want to build up a surplus of pieces that you need to liver of sulfur, because if you don't neutralize this only lasts for a day or so. And as the water cools, it will take longer for the piece to actually patina. So you want hot tap water. It doesn't have to be boiling. Just the hottest that your tap water will give you is fine. Now with time, these will patina again on their own naturally, unless you seal these. I don't seal my work. I let the patina develop, and then if they want to polish it, they can. You can also polish this with one of those cloths that are for polishing silver. That's pretty much what I do. Easy peasy, right? So you'll go from raw copper to a beautiful antiqued piece by patinaing it. I like it. Anyways, that's how I do it. It's very simple. You just need a few supplies. I've had this for going on 6 years. And as you can see, here's the mark where it's still sitting. This will last you forever, as long as you take good care of it. I mean, like, don't set it out in the sun kind of thing. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate you stopping in. And I thank you all for liking and subscribing and sharing. Greatly appreciate that as well. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.